Hello everyone, this is RooTrimmer. Welcome back to our channel. The RooTrimmer gardening products are the best friends of your plant. Today I've got something super handy to share with all the plant parents and garden lovers over there. It's our 4-inch, 6-inch and 8-inch nursery pots. Whether you are starting seeds, propagating succulents, or just looking for some solid flower pots for your loving plants, this is the one you want. Let me tell you the reasons. This set has 14 pieces and we have green and black color. 5 each of 4-inch, 6-inch and 8-inch sizes. They are awesome because you've got options at every growth stage of your plant, from tiny seedlings to the large and established plants. No more digging around for the right size pots for your loving plants. It's all in one box ready for you. They are made of high quality and thick plastic. They are super sturdy, no deforming and no bending, even if you stack or move them around a bunch. And the best part, they are totally reusable. Just rinse them out and you are good to use them again. Thanks to their flexible build, transplanting is just a breeze. No root damaging, no fuss. Every pot has 8 drainage holes at the bottom. That's a big win because soggy roots means sad plant. These pots make things drainage properly so that your plants stay healthy. And they are perfect for succulents, herbs, flowers, even veggies like peppermint. Indoor or outdoor, these pots work great in either setup. Plus, their clean and simple look fits in anywhere, like your patio, windowsill, or even inside of your grow tent. If you are putting together your own little garden or just need some solid pots for your plant babies, it is a no-brainer. Ideal for home gardeners, plant nurseries, even folks doing a little urban farming. Alright, here's to this year. If you are interested in our 4-inch, 6-inch and 8-inch nursery pots, check the link below. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. We will add more gardening products every week. Thank you for watching. See you next time.